What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, we got to talk today, guys. So I need you to do me a favor. Go ahead and pour up a cup of tea, get a glass of coffee, whatever you need to do, man, and sit down with your boy for a minute, guys. We are going to talk about being distracted and missing trades on today, okay? Go ahead and take a look at the chart. This will be what I'll be showing you on today and what I'll be speaking to, all right? Check it out, guys. This is the 5-minute chart. This is Apple, by the way, okay? But check it out, guys. Sometimes on your journey, you will be distracted. Sometimes on the journey, you will miss trades. And guys, on today, your boy certainly did that. When you're not locked in, it's easy to get off course, okay? It's easy to, again, be distracted. Easy not to be on your A game, okay? And so in particular, guys, what I noticed was out the gate, you have to get your setup together, meaning you got to be at your desk. You got to be ready to go. Because I was all over the place from this morning, from working out, getting out of the gym late, sending off the weekly option plays to everybody, going to the Discord, dropping a morning briefing. Okay, by the time 9:30 rolled around, I was not focused, okay? My chart wasn't working right. Whatever the case was, guys, it resulted in the fact that I was distracted, okay? And on your journey, a distracted trader is a poor trader, okay? And so, luckily, I had the wherewithal to sit out, okay? I often talk about when in doubt, sit it out. Today, I didn't have no doubt. I was just distracted, okay? And I'm going to show you guys all the setups that we missed on the day, okay? That I missed on today. But before we do that, guys, please let me know if you took any trades on the day, if you caught a double bottom by chance on today. Now listen, guys, I'm knee deep in this game. I know today was not the best day for trading in terms of catching calls as the market was going down all day across the board. So again, I already know if you guys didn't do puts, it might have been hard to try to wait for a double bottom to form and catch that, okay? But major salute, because I still got all the text messages from those of you that did just in general make money on a day, taking what the market gave you, okay? But with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and dive into the charts. Okay, guys, I have this pulled up for you here, and we just going to get right to it. Right here, guys, out the gate, this is my early morning $1,000 play that I missed, okay? Let's go ahead and X that out. I missed that. This is what I'm talking about, being distracted. This play ended up going up, forming somewhat of a double top, okay? And what do I tell you guys, when you have a double top form, you see the stock go down. I missed that completely. I missed that move. This is what being distracted would do. Once the stock went down and it fell within the 13 EMA, look at what it formed, guys. What do we call this right here? This is a bear flag. I missed that whole play, okay? But I told you, when I see charts, I see money, okay? So I missed that bear flag, and then look at what it proceeded to do. It flushed again. This is my favorite setup right here, and I even missed that bear flag on today, okay? So I missed this money breaking opportunity. I missed this money making opportunity, and then the stock began to flush a little bit more, forming somewhat of a double bottom. I won't count this one, but nevertheless, you see after these two formed, it ended up going up a little bit. That was about the best shot at a double bottom in Apple on today, okay? But nevertheless, after that, the stock just proceeded to just trade down and out throughout the remainder of the day, okay? And so again, not too much to write home about, because I talked about the fact that on this journey, guys, I was missing trades. When you are distracted, when you're not locked in, when you're not focused, you miss the real opportunity. And in my case, I missed what I know to be high probability setups and what I call easy money. And that's never to brag or boast or make this game look overly simplified, but when you do this long as I've been doing this, and you make the kind of money that I make on a daily basis trading options, guys, you know the winning setups. And to miss, I just shot all air balls today. I went 0 for 10 basically, okay, and just was shooting air balls all day because I didn't pull the trigger on any of the setups that I saw because I was distracted. I was not focused. I was not locked in. Let me know, guys, if on your journey you found yourself trading distracted, whether you were in a meeting, somebody called you, you had to deal with the kids, something came up. If you have traded distracted, and then let me know your results. Did it allow you to refocus? Did it allow you to be prosperous? Let me know how you did on your distracted journey, okay? Well, with that being said, guys, again, we will be looking for double bottom setups on tomorrow. The good thing is this, guys, we are at support levels, meaning if these stocks don't flush, if they don't gap down tomorrow, they may very well bounce off some of these levels that you are seeing in the market throughout the day. Okay, so be mindful of that. But again, be strategic about it. Don't front run it, and make sure that you take high probability setups. With that being said, guys, let's go ahead and dive into the SPY on the day. I'll just cover this one because everything flows from it, okay? But check it out. Ticker symbol SPY sitting at $400. I talked about this in the Discord. The range for this one this week to the downside will be 400. Did you guys see it overshoot today? It hit 399, 398. Okay, sometimes it does that only to kind of ricochet right back to where it's trying to be, to that $400 level. Be mindful of that. That's called an overshoot. That's called a false breakdown, and that's what I'm gonna teach you guys about tomorrow. So be looking out for the lesson on a false breakdown and a false breakout, because that is one thing that can trip you guys up, okay, when you're not aware of that the stock is really just want to be at 400, but it might tease you with a couple dollars lower only to ricochet back up, but you thought it was going to go down further. Those are called bear traps when it's to the downside, bull traps to the upside. But check it out, guys, this is at support. So you showed today that it can go to 398. Okay, so that's the overshoot part of it, but ultimately we need to see, can it bounce off of this level and make its way back to that 405, then $407 range. You want to be looking for that to the upside. If it can get there, we still have not been able to successfully maintain 408, and then 408 will open the door for 410, and 410 will help us get to our expected move for this week of 413. Again, right now, all of that seems far-fetched because of the type of day we had on today, but I'm telling you the grand scheme and the macro view of what's going on at play. So again, know your supply and demand zones and know what's going on, know where these stocks want to go to the downside, and then know where they want to go to the upside, okay? But more importantly, be ready to take high probability setups. Be ready to make moves and take the shot when you see it, okay? Listen, guys, we got a whole week ahead of us. We got a lot of economic news on the horizon. We got a Fed meeting coming up. We got a CPI meeting coming up next week and things of that nature. Things that will be market moving catalysts. So I just want you to stay the course. I want you to stick to the script. I want you to stay 10 toes down. More importantly, I want you to trust the process. Listen, guys, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. So do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.